Today's lesson is note names. It's pretty basic. The music alphabet only has A through G, starting on A, but we're going to start on C just to make it a little easier. Okay, as you can see, there's 2 black keys and then 3 black keys, and those are the groups 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so on and so forth, both directions. On the 2, locate the 2 in the middle of the keyboard, whatever looks like the middle, and to the left of the first black key in the group of 2, go down to the first white key to the left. That is C. Middle C basically, but it's called C. And then after C is D, E, F, G, A, B. If you can see that, that's B. Now going backwards is the same thing, but it's just saying it backwards. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah. So note names starting on A now. So this is C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now, to name the black notes and flats and sharps, here's how you do it. Going up a half step makes it a sharp. Going down a half step makes it a flat. Okay? Very basic, like music theory or whatever you want to call it. So C, or any note, E, right? Going up a half step, it's gonna be E sharp. But in this case, it's F also. This note has 2 names. This note has 2 names. This one and this one, and every black key has 2 names. Okay. And if you play on black notes, like black note scale, like F sharp major, the whites will have 2 names. So, okay. So C to this black note is called C sharp. Okay, C sharp. Now we're on D. D up a half step is D sharp. E up a half step is E sharp, sorry, or F. F up a half step is F sharp. G up a half step is G sharp. A up a half step is A sharp. Okay. Now same rule applies, but backwards it's called flat. So let's start on this C. C a half step down is C flat. Also B. Now B down a half step is B flat, which was also known as A sharp, but now that we're working in flats, we'll call it flat. And B flat. A down a half step is A flat. G down a half step is G flat. F down a half step is F flat. E down a half step is E flat. Okay. D down a half step is D flat, and so on and so forth. So down a half step makes it flat. Down up a whole step, up a half step makes it sharp. Okay, and that's how you name every note. So if you want to name the black notes, find out the white note before it or after it, depending on if you want to make it sharp or flat. So let's say I just land on A. If I want to go up a half step, is A sharp. Okay. I want to go down a half step, is A flat. Okay. Or B down a half step is B flat. And B up a half step is B sharp. Yeah, B sharp or C. So these 2 have 2 names, depending on whatever scale you play on. But just know black keys flat keys and sharp keys are two names in one.